In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send Formstack attachments to Google Drive. Automating this process can save you a ton of time and ensure your files are always where you need them. Let's dive right into the steps to make it happen. First things first, we need to ensure you have the right account set up and ready to go. You'll need active accounts with Formstack, Google Drive, and an automation service like Zapier. If you don't have these accounts, I recommend pausing here and setting them up before we proceed. This foundational step is crucial as each service needs to be connected for the automation to work seamlessly. Next, let's create a Zap, or what some platforms might call a workflow. This is your automation recipe. Start by logging into Zapier, and on the dashboard, click the button that says Make a Zap. Give your Zap an appropriate name so you can easily identify it later among other workflows. After setting up your Zap, it's time to configure the trigger. In this context, a trigger is the event that sets off your automation sequence. Since we're dealing with Formstack, select Formstack as your trigger app. You'll then need to choose New Form Submission as the trigger event. This ensures that every time a new form is submitted, our automation will kick into action. Next, connect your Formstack account by following the on-screen instructions. Once connected, select the specific form you wish to automate. Choosing the correct form is important as this determines which form submissions will be processed. With the trigger set, let's move on to configuring the action. The action is what happens once your trigger event occurs. Here, we'll select Google Drive as the action app and choose between upload file or copy file as the action event, depending on your preference. Now, connect your Google Drive account to allow Zapier to save files there. Specify the folder where you want the attachments to be saved. This helps keep your Google Drive organized and ensures you can easily locate the files you need. In the file field, make sure you select the URL or the file data from the Formstack trigger step. This tells Zapier exactly what file to transfer. And for a more personalized touch, consider customizing the file name using dynamic data pulled from your Formstack fields. This could include names, dates, or other specific identifiers that will help you quickly identify files later. Finally, it's time to test and activate your Zap. Testing is important to make sure everything is functioning as expected. Run a test form submission and check that the attachment is sent to your Google Drive precisely as planned. If everything looks good, don't forget to turn your Zap on. This final step ensures your automation is live and ready to work for you, streamlining your workflow effortlessly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily set up an automated system to send Formstack attachments to Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and happy automating.